artists, and welcome to Miss Goldie's Art Room. In celebration of Earth Day 2020, I thought I would do a short read aloud of one of my favorite books, The Earth Book by Todd Parr. I can take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. 10 ways I can help the earth. 1, turn off the lights. 2, recycle. 3, save my leftovers. 4, be nice to the worms. 5, share a book. 6, plant a tree. 7, use both sides of the paper. 8, save water. 9, clean up trash. And 10, put my underwear in the freezer when it's hot. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Happy Earth Day and happy arting. Okay, my awesome artists, the first thing we need to do is we want to find the center of our paper. So we're going to take our paper, we're going to fold it in half this way. We're also going to fold it in half this way. Now we can open it up and we have the center. So we can either hold our paper long ways or side to side. I think for this one, I'm going to hold it long ways. I have a pencil. From this dot here, we're going to make our heart first. So from this dot here, we're going to come from the middle. We're going to come up, down, and around to the bottom. We're going to try to do it exactly the same way on the other side. Nobody's perfect, so if it's not exact, it's totally cool. See, Miss Goldie's isn't even exact. After we did that, we're going to add some of the land on the earth. They kind of look like blobs. We can also add another heart, like the cover of the book here. So I'll make another little heart here. Then I'm going to add some blobs for the land. Now you don't want to add too many blobs for the land because the earth is made up of more water than it is land. So we're just going to add a few on each side. Once we've done that, then we can work on making some of the other details. We can make a peace sign. If you have trouble drawing a heart, grab anything circular. Go slow. Trace it. Then we're going to make a line down the middle. And we're going to make 2 diagonal lines on the side. That's how you make a peace sign. The recycle symbol is really easy. We're going to make a triangle. Then we're going to, with our pencil, push hard. We're going to highlight the corners. Then we're going to make a little triangle here for the arrow, a little triangle there for the arrow, and a little triangle there for the arrow. We're going to also erase these lines here so we don't get confused. Easy peasy. Then we can add some other things, maybe flowers, more hearts. I think over here I'll add some flowers. So we'll make a circle with some ovals around it. Maybe make it a happy smiley flower for Earth Day. For the stem we make 1 line, 2 line, and then we'll make a leaf by making a sad face, happy face. Over here I think I'll make another flower. Maybe this side I'll make a tulip. So we're gonna make a U with some zigzags, line, another line, sad face, happy face. Maybe on this I'll add some things coming out of the middle here. Once our paper is completely drawn, we're gonna use a utensil, whatever you want material to trace it. You can either use a black pen or a Sharpie marker if you have it. Miss Goldie's gonna go a little fast and speed it up. You guys take your time, go slow, stay on the pencil. Remember, you're in control of the Sharpie and not the other way around. Now, because I'm not perfect, I'm going to use my eraser. I'm going to erase all the pencil just to clean it up a bit. There we go. Once everything is erased, we're gonna figure out where we would like to assign our artwork. So pick a spot that you like, artist. It doesn't have to be in the same spot that I'm doing it. You can do it wherever you want. I think this one, I'm gonna put it up here. Now, once this is done, you can use crayons or coloring materials to color the whole thing like I've done on this one. On this one, I colored some of it with crayons, not everything, and then I'm gonna use markers to use them like watercolors. So again, if you have just coloring materials, you go ahead and you take your time, you color this very neatly. For the watercolor, we're just gonna color some of it. We're not gonna color everything. So I'll start with my heart. So the things you are gonna color are your peace symbols, your arrows, your flowers, your heart, and your land. You're not gonna color the water, and you're not gonna color the background of the paper. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. You guys take your time, go slow, make it look awesome. I don't know if you caught that, artist, but my crayon kind of broke halfway through there. And this is kind of a little sloppy for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another shade of green. I'm just gonna color over it. Again, I'm gonna go a little fast. You guys take your time, make it look good. Now that everything is colored, well, not everything, we're gonna take our tin foil, cup of water. I have a thin brush for the smaller areas and a thick brush for the thicker areas, the larger areas. So I'm gonna think about the water first. I think with the water, I'm going to use this nice turquoise, color a little bit on there. And we'll use blue. I'm gonna take the small brush, kind of pick up those colors. I'm going to work on the inside. Because this is all done in crayon, we could go ahead and paint right over it. There's the water for the earth. Now I'm gonna do the background. I think for the background, I'm gonna use some combinations of purples and this nice raspberry. I'm gonna color with all of these right on the tin foil. I'm gonna use my big brush, pick up some of that color, mix it up. I can brush right over everything since it's in crayon and that's made out of wax. Peace, artists. Happy Earth Day.